Hi, I'm Matt from B2R Motorsports in Ingleburn. We're this year's RH9 category sponsor for GDR Challenge. So we've been in business just under 5 years now. We're located in Ingleburn, New South Wales. We mainly specialise in Nissans, do a lot of GDR stuff, as you can see. We do the odd Sylvia or, WRX or Evo or stuff like that. So services we provide in-house is engine building, we do dyno tuning, we do all electrical work such as harnesses, we do fabrication in-house as well now. Also, we still use Hypertune, which are currently next door. The only thing we can't really do in-house at the moment is machining. That's about it. Everything else we can do in-house. So you can bring in a stock car, you can leave with a monster, yeah.
So we like going to Cootamundra because obviously it's a street service. All the customers, they just want to challenge each other, challenge other workshops, and they just want to race.
Cootamundra it's one time in the year where everyone can get together. All our mates will go down, we'll race each other, and they won't get booted off the track for doing like a 10-0 or something like that. It is pretty appealing actually, the can't get booted option, because half of the boys are still learning how to drive these cars. At Coota they can get a few passes in, learn the car, slowly turn it up and then see what works for them and what doesn't. This year we've got a few cars already actually. I think we're taking down 7 cars. So this year we've got Josh in his R32 GDR. He's packing 1200 horsepower through a PPG sequential RB32 that has 83-85 precision turbo on it. We haven't put NOS in it yet, but we will be looking to put some nitrous into it at Cootamundra. On his first pass, he's gone 930 with no drag experience, so he done pretty well. From there, we've just slowly set up the car for it to launch better, go potentially faster at Coota. Our next car is Mark's R33 GDR, which is an RB32, PPG dog box, precision 68-70 turbo. That currently makes 800 horsepower at the hubs. All our cars are tuned on the hub dyno. That on 20 pound has done a 10.0. Before Coota we'll be looking at trying to do a 950 or a 960. But yeah, that car's been pretty well dialed in. It's a perfect street car, full boost, 4 grand. Revs all the way to about 8,400, I think it is. Pretty responsive setup. One of our good friend Moe's R32 is still a stock bottom end GDR. That made 590 kilowatt. But before Coota, we'll be turning that up. So if it breaks, it breaks. If it lasts, it lasts. If it lasts, it'll go fast. Well, right now it has a 7685 Gen 2 precision on it. Before Coota, we'll be putting a PPG sequential in there as well. The next 32 GDR that we're taking down, it's not quite finished yet. It's pretty much identical setup to Josh's car. We don't know how fast that car's gonna go, but it will go fast. The driver's a bit loose as well. Navi's R32 GDR, which is formerly Alex's car. That's still running the same setup as last year. We've got a Nitto 2.8 with a 76-75 precision with a PPG dog box. Just a bit of boost, it runs about 40 PSI boost. Power, that made 1,080 at the hubs. It's gone a 920 on an average pass at 157. The non-GDRs we got coming this year is, like everyone knows, is Marlin, Mr. 33. That's got a Nitto 3.2 in it, 76-75. We've done a few changes from last year. It's this year. Yeah, we look on going pretty fast with that thing also, yeah. Yeah, so we've got Musti Supra, which was there last year as well. 3 litre, it makes 1,100 horsepower. I think the first time he drove that car was at Cootamundra, and he done quite well last year, and he's had the whole year to practice. We've changed suspension, we've changed wheels. We've just dialed in the car a little bit better to suit Musti. Yeah, hopefully this year he can go fairly fast. This year we're taking Aki's car again, which is a 200SX S14. It's turbo 400, 3 litre still. We've changed it over to a 7685 now. He's got a different converter in it. He's got the wheel combo for it. He's got the suspension for it. That car should do an easy 8-second pass as long as he can put his foot down. And at Coota, hopefully we get into the high 9s with that car. Coota will be a bit tricky. Yeah, that car should go fast at Coota as well. Yeah, our customers put a lot of faith in us, and we like to deliver results. So we'll bend over backwards for our customers just to help them in any way we can, just so we don't let anyone down.